What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the doorknob on a 1993 Nissan D21. It's fairly easy. I use this as a commuter / beater, so I mean, I really don't care that much about my pieces, but I know a lot of you guys do. But usually I get this because I've gone through a bunch of them already. So this little bolt right here, push it back in. So you're gonna get the screwdriver, your flathead, and push it right underneath, not the middle one. So you see there's two little flaps, but the one nearest to the door, all you're gonna do is twist, and you should pop it out. So twist it, and it pops right out. And you're gonna do it all the way down. So there's one here. There's probably should be one right here, but one right here. Like I said, I've broken them off so many times before that it doesn't really matter to me. But it's just my beater. But, so after that, then we're gonna do. Should be 2 screws for this. So they're right there and right here. Go ahead and undo those. And I'm trying to work with one hand, so hold on 1 second. All right, all done. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish off popping those plastic. And now on the door handle, you're gonna have 2 little bolts. They're both size 10, and those are the ones that go right here. So if you look at the slits. Alright, so as I was saying, these are size 10 down here. And this is going to look like this. So the two nuts go on here. And I'll show you how this piece goes, how I normally do it. Because this is a piece that I have the most trouble with, honestly. Everything else is super easy. So I'll show you that right now. Let me just undo these size 10 real quick. Alright, so they're both off. Now this is where it always breaks. Right at this little, right here. This is where, when you look at the new one, let's compare them. See, this always breaks for some reason. I've ordered so many different ones. I've ordered OEM, I've ordered aftermarket. I don't know why. They just keep on breaking. So I keep on ordering some. They're not expensive. They're like 10 bucks. They get here like within a day or two. So I usually just have one break and then use the other one until that one breaks, then it fell down. Okay, so luckily this didn't have it on both sides, which yeah, so this little flat part goes in this. So normally how I do these, so I remove the old one. So you see the secondary flap right here? That's what locks it into the, let me show you. That locks it in, so that way you can't remove it. So you have to fold that flap and then push it out. So normally what I could do with the new one, I mean this one was probably a week old when it broke for some reason. I just never contact the company. I really should, but I just don't. So anyways, you have to put this into this little flap first. And this little crevice goes on the inside. And then you fold it and have it barely go into the you don't want to put it all the way in because then it won't be able to close to slide it through here. So I'll show you. So first I put this into the, now this is the hard part. When I was first learning how to do this, there's a little, shoot, let me see if I can show you. Okay, so you see that little tooth looking thing or back over there, right there, that one, that is where this white piece sits. So it sits on there. This has to be facing this way so it can hook into the piece. So let me go ahead and put this in real quick, and then I'll show you how I do it. So 1 second. Okay, so the first thing I do is I set the door handle in. or I sit that little piece, the little hook piece in, and then I put the door handle on, and I push. You have to push the little hook behind that little bar right there, you see, and then okay. Now it's better. Okay, so this little metal piece with the yellow little tube, I'm gonna push that back, and I'm gonna align that circle right here, and I'm gonna push that tube in. So let me see if I can do this without putting the phone down. Let's see. And this just popped off, so yeah, a little cover just pops off, and it gives you more room. So just so. This has to go back there, so let me see if I can do this without. So this little piece right here, you can actually adjust this so it can make room for door handles. Some of the door handles are gonna have been different, so I've had to tweak it a little bit. And this makes it either taller or shorter. That way it's an easy fitment onto that little tube looking thing. All right, and it's in. So it's in. I just gotta make sure that, yeah, it is all in. And the little back brace is slid. You see how it slid down? Let's see if I can show you with my hand. So that little brace right here, see how it slid behind the bar? That way it doesn't slide out of the mechanism. Now I just gotta put these back in, and we're all done. And hopefully, if you just got one of these trucks, you never have to replace this because it's annoying. And I've had to do it like 50 times. Thank you for watching. Bye.